PNI House WiFi550 video surveillance kit can be controlled from mobile devices via Android and iOS compatible application Danill and from PC via Dana CMS software. The installation file of the CMS can be found on the CD included in the package, or you can download it from our website from the download section. You can connect the camera to the internet through a wireless network. Also, connect the camera to the NVR through a wireless connection. The maximum Wi-Fi transmission distance is 100 meters in open field. The PNI IP550MP camera is equipped with 30 infrared LEDs, allowing viewing at night for up to 30 meters. It can be used for surveillance of homes, offices, factories, shops, hospitals, etc. Simple, convenient, and in real time. The PNI House WiFi550 kit has an NVR recording unit and 4 cameras, both internal and external, allowing you to supervise your home or business anywhere you have an internet connection. With the NVR in the package, you can record and play images from 8 Full HD cameras. For recording images, you can mount an internal HDD with up to 4 TB capacity inside the NVR. The images are recorded in real time and can be viewed through a monitor connected to the NVR through the VGA or HDMI interface.